landscape, fold the piece of paper up in half, same thing as before, try and make it the folds as clean as possible. Then you fold the corners into the center line, like so. The main thing here is just try to focus on making the two sides equal and as similar or the same as possible. And then now you get the top point and you fold it down here, not to complete to the edge, about like an inch, so it's like about 2.5 centimeters from the end of the other side of the other end of the piece of paper. So roughly here-ish, yeah. There you go. Crease there. Then you fold these two edges into the center again, like so. Two. After you've done this, the next step is to unfold those creases you've made, and you need to put it to the side and get this point in line with this new crease. So from here to there, like that. Okay. Okay. Then repeat on the other side. Okay. Okay. After you have done this, you just fold it back under itself like that again, like it was before, just so that it's like tucked away. That's what it helps with. And then after this, you need to get to the nose and see these two, where these 2 points meet, or roughly where they meet. If they're not equal, then it's alright, but where they meet, that's where you fold it down to. So it's there, roughly, like that. Cool. And then after this, you have to fold this in half, like so. But while you're doing this, now you have to, as you fold this, get this corner up to here, so it kind of, you make a perforation there, or like a crease, like so, like quite a small one here, like up there, from here to there, like that. If you want, you could just repeat on the other side, but it's not necessary. Doesn't really help much. But yeah, as long as you've done it on one side, that's on mine, like that. Then you have to open it up, and here, if you're looking at it straight down, try and open this up and fold the nose up to this like top crease inwards, to like on itself, like this. But yeah, you just fold it up like that. So after you've done that, you're almost there. Now you just fold this one more time in half, so there's going to be a crease there from here down to the bottom, like so, like that. If you've done that, you fold like that. Once you've done that, now all you have to do is get where there's this angle, there's this point, that's where you need to make a fold which is parallel to the bottom of this like paper plane. Try and make it as parallel as you can. And then repeat on the other side. Okay, cool. Once you've done that, now just for bit of extra steps to make it fly a little bit better. Get the 2 wings, and about, I'd say, like 1.5 centimeters to maximum 2 centimeters down. You fold it up on itself, like that, I'd say, roughly. Not too much, just enough though, and keep that parallel also with the inner lines, so no angles. And then you just repeat that on the other side. So yeah, it's easier to have it already folded, because then you can just make it completely accurate on the side, like so. Just fold it up against itself, like that. And you're basically there. But I'd add, before you start throwing it, just a little bend here. Not much, just a little, like almost like a little tail of some, not tail, but like just a little bend upwards, like that. Like you fold it up on both sides, just to prevent it from falling down when it starts to, when it's reached that maximum height. It doesn't, when it reaches its maximum height, it doesn't go straight down. It helps it to like mellow out and go further. But yeah, this one goes